मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जहाँ जहाँ सोनम कपूर जाती हैं शी टेंड्स टू अट्रैक्ट रांझनास एंड इज दिस लाइक अ नेचुरल थिंग विथ यू? जहाँ जहाँ जाते हो आई एम श्योर देयर लाइक लॉट्स ऑफ रांझनास हु आर लाइक रेडी टू गिव द लाइफ टू यू.
Who says?
नहीं है ऐसा? You're being
ऐसे
modest.
मूवीज में ही होता है मेरे साथ, रियल लाइफ में नहीं होता.
I think this is like the most hard to believe sentence ever of yours.
नहीं, मेरे साथ ऐसा होता नहीं है. I don't know if there's anybody who's crazy enough to do something like that for me.
अच्छा.
Maybe fans in a way, पर नहीं, ऐसे कुछ हुआ नहीं है मेरे साथ.
तो कोई रंजना नहीं है अभी फिलहाल?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
When you are Zoya,
हाँ जी.
what's that like?
Zoya is बहुत ही सिंपल लड़की है, पर एट द सेम टाइम बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है.
अच्छा.
बहुत ही वो मोहल्ले की वो लड़की है जो सबसे खूबसूरत है और वो जानती है खूबसूरत है. वो जानती है कि सारे लड़के उसके पीछे भागते हैं.
अच्छा.
और अगर आप उसे देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि ये लड़की बनारस में नहीं रहने वाली है.
अच्छा.
ये लड़की वो लड़की है, वो किधर और जाएगी, कुछ करेगी अपनी ज़िंदगी के साथ. अगर ज़िंदगी के साथ भी कुछ नहीं करेगी तो अगर उसकी शादी भी होगी तो उसकी शादी किसी किसी बाहर बड़े शहर में होगी.
ओके. तो वन सीन दैट आई लाइक अ लॉट इन द फिल्म इज जब आप धनुष को झापड़ मारते हो एंड देन यू थप्पड़ मारते हो एंड देन यू स्माइल.
बॉम्बे. झापड़.
हाँ थप्पड़ की गूंज.
हाँ.
सुनाई पड़ी थप्पड़ की
जी.
गूंज.
जब हम एक्टिंग करते हैं तो देयर इज अ वे टू स्लैप अ पर्सन विदाउट एक्चुअली स्लैपिंग द पर्सन.
हाँ. This I'm going to try with you and Dhanush actually.
It's very easy.
But that expression is very cute. You know when you like
slap him and I smile.
So you actually enjoyed it.
I didn't. मतलब ये लड़की है जो it's like a flirtation between the two. वो उसका हाथ पकड़ता है और पहले दिन उसे थप्पड़ मार देती है. दूसरे दिन वो वापस आता है. तीसरे दिन तक वो बोलती कहाँ है वो, क्यों नहीं आया. वो आता है, वो हाथ पकड़ता है उसका और उसे लगा अच्छा चल आ गया और वो हंसती है और फिर बोलती नहीं मैं हंस नहीं सकती और फिर थप्पड़ मार के वापस चली जाती.
कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था कि आपने कहा था दिस मूवी केम टू एट अ टाइम व्हेन यू वर लॉस्ट. Yeah, you had gone off track.
No, the movie came to me at a point where I found myself. Actually, क्या हो गया था कि जब मैं प्लेयर्स और थैंक यू की शूटिंग कर रही थी और तब मुझे पता चल गया बिफोर दे रिलीज्ड ऑल्सो कि मैं ऐसे फिल्म नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
अच्छा.
बहुत सारे हीरोइन करती हैं, दे वेरी सक्सेसफुल एट डूइंग इट. आई डोंट हैव द टैलेंट टू पुल इट ऑफ.
मतलब कैसी फिल्म?
मतलब लाइक फिल्म्स वेयर दे हाइटेंड रियलिटी, जहाँ it's a little more, it's a little more heightened than what's real, where things that are not possible are happening. You need to be a very good actress to do that with conviction. For me, like a film, those kind of films, they were huge projects at that time. Abbas Mastana had just done Race, Anis Bazmi had just done Welcome and No Entry. They were the biggest filmmakers and they wanted to sign me. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है कर लेती हूँ. They want to work with me. I Hate Love Stories and Aisha had just done well. और सब कह रहे थे कि now you need to become the biggest actress in the country and ये वो. और मैंने actually decision बनाई थी सावरिया, दिल्ली 6 और आयशा एंड आई हेट लव स्टोरीज के टाइम कि मैं सिर्फ अपनी टाइप की फिल्म करूँगी और अगर मैं कमर्शियल फिल्म करूँगी देन आई विल गो टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ आई हेट लव स्टोरीज. उससे ज़्यादा कमर्शियल फिल्म्स मेरे अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बियॉन्ड है. You need to be a very good actor to be able to do certain things with conviction where, you like, I don't understand it. You need to be very, very good to do that. Like, my father can do it. I don't think I'm good enough actor. I'm good enough to handle those kind of projects. So I said, no, forget it. I mean, when I was working on it only, I realized that मैं conviction के साथ कर रही नहीं थी because I couldn't understand what I was doing. So I said, I need to do things which I understand, which I'll enjoy, which my personality is able to take. Maybe 4-5 साल में जब मैं थोड़ी और मंजी हुई एक्ट्रेस बन जाऊंगी तो मैं वैसी फिल्म्स करूंगी.
जैसे आपने बोला कि people were saying कि become the biggest actress, become the biggest actress. आप अब उस that is when you जब आप पहले इंडस्ट्री में आते हो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सुनते हो कि ये बनो वो बनो वो बनो. अब सोनम कपूर क्या बनना चाहती हैं?
मैं क्या बनना चाहती हूँ? I don't know. मैं एक्ट करना चाहती हूँ, but I want to act in things that I want to act in. I don't want to act कि मैं I don't have an end goal कि I want to be the #1 heroine of the country and work with certain filmmakers and certain heroes and all of that. अगर मुझे काम करना है तो I want to do things in my terms. If I want to do things where अगर मैं स्टोरी कर रही हूँ whether they work or not work, अगर मैं सेट पे हूँ तो मैं खुशी खुशी सेट पे हूँ, अगर मैं एक स्क्रिप्ट या रोल कर रही हूँ then I'm growing with that. You know, not regressing.
तो ये जो कुछ लोग होते हैं जो ये रट में होते हैं कि सबसे बड़ी एक्ट्रेस बनना है
कि मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए और ये प्रोजेक्ट, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, वो मेरे पर्सनालिटी में नहीं है. मैंने ट्राई किया before the films released and before they didn't work and all, I had stopped signing films. I was getting all these offers and जब ये काम करते हो और they realize कि इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्म्स करे तो आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे offers आते हैं. I mean, I could have signed a lot of the films that are the big films at this point, and I said I can't do it. I just can't. It's doesn't make me happy.
कौन सी थी ये फिल्म्स?
मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ. I never talk about films that I don't sign ever. You know that.
पर ये जो आपने कहा कि एक पर्सनालिटी it requires a certain personality trait or something.
No, not a personality trait. You need to be a good actor to do that. I'm a good actor, but I'm a good actor in certain things. I'm not a good enough actor to do those things. You need a lot of conviction to do that. You need to have a lot of believability to do that.
So what about you makes you that कि आप उससे relate बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाते हो? मतलब is it because आप जिस तरह से आपकी upbringing हुई है या जो आपका friend circle है या आपकी जो सोच है?
I don't know. Like I said, I'm not good enough to do it. I'm not good enough to do it.
But I think it's very brave of you to say because बहुत सी actresses होंगी जैसे ये सब बोलेंगी नहीं कि मैं ये नहीं करूँगी, मैं ये करूँगी.
मैंने ऐसे नहीं कहा. I said I have to prepare myself to do it. And at that point I was like, Abhi, I don't think I've experienced enough to do it right now. You need a lot of experience to do it. And you need to be able to do it. I mean if maybe in 2-3 years or 1 or 2 years, if I think I can handle the situation, then I'll do it.
तो रांझना के पहले वाली सोनम और रांझना के बाद वाली सोनम कुछ चेंज आया after doing a film like रांझना?
No. You think I've changed?
You're the same for me.
Yeah.
But in terms of maybe your thinking, as you said, thinking या growth wise.
नहीं, just कि मैं बहुत ही छोटी थी यार, 2-3 साल पहले. I mean, I was younger. I used to get swayed by people कि ये करना चाहिए, इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, ये प्रोजेक्ट देखो, इतने सारे crores से बनाएगी और इतनी सारी crores बनेगी, मतलब उससे. और अगर मुझे वैसी फिल्म भी करनी है then it has to be my decision. It can't be my agency. It can't be my father. It can't be somebody telling me you have to do it because of this. I have to do it because I want to do it. So I don't blame anybody for it. You know what I mean? Now if I look back at it and I'm like, oh, I had a great time. I made a lot of money, you know, on those films. I had a really good time on those films. Don't get me wrong. I was shooting in like amazing locations. मैंने बहुत खूब shopping की. You know, I got along a lot with Bobby Deol. You know, I used to relax, chill with him. You know, it was a lot of fun. I had a great time, but it wasn't like I mean, I made a friend in Bipasha during Players. So you get a lot, and Abbas Mastan treated me so beautifully. But it wasn't my space. You need to have a space. And I need to be able to be a more well-rounded actor and a little more talented to do that. I don't think I'm talented enough right now to do that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Talking about the film रांझना, ये जो पटाने का तरीका है ना, आपके पीछे लड़के पड़े हुए हैं, ये कितनी अच्छा आपने बोला कि आपका तो होता नहीं है, आपका कभी हुआ नहीं. आपने कभी किसी लड़के को चेस किया है?
नहीं.
इस एक्सटेंट तक? Not your thing, हाँ?
Not my thing.
अच्छा, मुझे फिल्म में दो चीज़ अच्छी लगी. They've spoken about childhood love and grown up love. तो आपके मुताबिक, if you can share something about your childhood love and a grown up love, the drastic difference in the two.
But I'm still a child. Childhood love was like Rose Day and Valentine's Day पे cards मिलते थे और roses मिलते थे और बहुत खुश हो जाते थे. तभी cell phones कहाँ थे? This was 10 years ago when I was in school. आजकल मतलब my brother and all have cell phones and like the computer and the chatting and all of that. You know, Skyping and all. ऐसा नहीं होता था हमारे साथ यार. आजकल they're like fully like yoing out.
No, but this is talking about love in the gizmo age or in technology.
Yeah, but I'm just saying that was my childhood love, yeah. So if I talk about it, I don't think young
Many people will relate to
many
it.
people relate to it, yeah.
But maybe the grown-up love people might relate to it. So how has that been?
Grown-up love is complicated, messy,
Yeah.
which is unfortunate. That innocence over there, na, कि you didn't care कि यार इसके पिता कौन है, कितने पैसे, will he be able to take care of me, you know, is he, you know, grounded enough, what religion is he, all these things, you know, in grown up, I'm not talking that I'm thinking of all these things, I said, but in adults, these practical things come.
But I think आपके parents की काफी बहुत ही अच्छी एक प्यारी love story which your dad had shared with me.
Yeah.
But that's a nice Ranjana love story if you were ever to share.
Ranjana love story, I don't know. But yeah, they've been together for a really long time. They dated for 11 years and they've been together for 29 years.
So it's like 40.
40 years. They've been together for totally 40 years.
Wow. And what about their love story that you admire the most? You know, a small incident. I remember your dad telling me कि वो bus पकड़ के your mom used to like give him money to catch the bus and to come and meet him. Do they share those?
Yeah. Like something very silly happened actually. Not silly, it was very sweet actually. We were sitting on the dining table. My parents make it very. It's very. You have to eat on the dining table together. So we talk about a day and all that. And then for that one day, I think it was before my parents' anniversary is May 19th.
Okay. Oh.
So it was 2 days before that. So dad was just like, Acha, Sonam, just go online and see when was Exorcist released in London.
Okay.
So I said, Kyun? He said, that was the first day I held your mother's hand and I took her to that film because I thought कि अगर Exorcist देगी डर जाएगी और मुझे हाथ पकड़ने देगी.
So sweet.
So I said, Dad, you are so shady. I said, that's
typical. That's
typical thing. He's like, but 30 साल पहले लोग ऐसे नहीं सोचते थे. I said, किसने बोला आपको? I said, मतलब आजकल भी सोचते हैं, पहले भी सोचते थे. My father remembers everything. When I held her hand, what was she wearing? You know, what were we doing at one particular point? So I think that was the first time he had taken my mother and obviously my mother was not allowed to travel alone with my dad. So she had taken her older sister along, my Masi, who was like 5 years older than my mother, and then 2 other people had gone. They'd gone to they'd taken the Eurorail all over Europe.
अच्छा, okay.
और मुझे ये story बोल रहे थे कि they couldn't afford, because they were like students, they couldn't afford to eat. So they used to.
This is after your dad became a star and everything.
No. This was before, much before. They were just.
Oh, so they knew they were dating.
They were dating since they were age of 16.
Oh, okay.
So since the age of 16 to the age of 27, my parents dated. At the age of 28, they got married.
Acha.
And
so the Eurorail, you were saying.
So the Eurorail, there was a Euro trip or whatever, I don't know what it's called. And they used to get bread in the morning for breakfast for free. They used to get free breakfast. So they used to stuff the bread in because they couldn't afford lunch and dinner.
People still do that.
Yeah, so I was like, that's really funny. They say, हाँ, खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे. हम लोग, and my mother used to be a model. And she used to make more money than my father. My father used to have no money. Okay, my mother used to live in Nepean Sea Road and my father used to live in Chembur.
But जैसे लगा कि पैसे नहीं वाला जो phase था, have you ever seen that?
Yeah, in boarding school, yeah. I used to get 45 Singapore dollars a week as my pocket money, which is like nothing. Like it's, and for everything, matlab train, toothbrush, toothpaste, food, like anything, like everything, like जो भी हो, मतलब morning to for 1 week.
And you can't ask parents for money.
You can't, you know, मतलब you can ask parents for money, but
tried.
Not even they tried. It was just like my parents are a little like different, you know. My father doesn't do ads. He wasn't, I don't know how to explain it. It was a different time when my dad was a superstar. There wasn't the same, it is not the same that it is right now where we have so many things that we can make money from. My parents were paying a huge fee for me to be in that boarding school. It was very, very expensive. So I got only that kind of pocket money at that point. So I had to do everything. I had to take a train everywhere and everything. And I wanted to go and have beer at that point. So I started working at a restaurant where they used to give us free beer.
Your dad knew about that?
Yeah.
And before we go, Sonam, I have to ask, you might have answered this like a million times, but Sonam's Ranjana should be how? What? Like the best top 3 qualities that he should definitely
Top
have.
3 qualities that my Ranjana should have.
It sounds so nice. My Ranjana should have. Would you ever call your Ranjana Ranjana? I don't think, no.
I don't have a Ranjana to call anybody Ranjana. The only Ranjanas that I have are my heroes in films, which is all fake. After cut, it's over. If I were to find someone, then he just needs to be a good guy.
Yeah, but give me like 3 qualities. Good guy.
3
I'm
qualities.
sure
He
he'll
needs to be honest, for sure, because there are a lot of liars around. He needs to wear nice shoes, because I hate it when men wear ugly shoes. It really upsets me. And he needs to be fit. Like, has to have a good body.
And any quality that comes from your dad that should be there in, because generally girls look for one quality.
Well, my daddy has all 3, yeah. He's a good body, he's like fit, he's a really nice guy, and I make sure he wears nice shoes.
But I hope that, soon, if you want it to come soon in your life, your Ranjana comes soon to you and you do find your space even in the industry.
Thank you.
And I hope Ranjana gives you that.
Thank you.
Super success and super happiness. Thank you for talking to us, Sonam, and wish
Thank you.
you.